Well, I'm working on the scales of stick number 88. This is a western diamondback rattlesnake, but it's got a little bitty deer mouse on top of it. I know it's been a while since I put a video out, so I thought I'd come on here and let y'all know what I've been up to. I've spent the last few months working on a tutorial, and I finally got it finished up and uploaded on Patreon. I'm really excited about sharing it with y'all and to help people to learn to make their own walking sticks. It's a 4-part series showing the process from start to finish on how I go about carving a rattlesnake walking stick. I take you through the gathering of the material, roughing it out, carving the details, wood burning, the scales, and then the painting and the finishing. There's quite a few other helpful tips and tutorials on there as well, including a full tutorial on carving a ready-to-strike rattlesnake. I enjoy being able to connect with y'all there personally, and so if you're interested in learning the techniques that I use on making these sticks, I'll be happy to see you there. Folks have been asking me about my wood burning snake scales, so I thought I'd talk about them a little bit. When I first started making snake walking sticks, the dilemma I had was how to make the scales look realistic. Well, the first stick that I made, I carved each individual scale, which was way too time consuming. So I knew that I needed to come up with something that would work better than that. So I took a little cheap utility wood burner and shaped the brass tip into a scale shape, and it really worked good. It sped the process up, but I still wasn't quite satisfied with the way it looked. So I started searching the internet to see what other solutions might be out there, and that's when I discovered Razertip was already making rattlesnake scale tips for their wood burners, and they looked a lot better than the ones that I was making. I really liked the details I got from them. But whether it's the kind of wood that I use or just the fact that I pushed really hard, I don't know, but I kept bending the wires on them on the larger scales. So I came up with a solution for that, for the larger scale sizes, and I took a versatile wood burner, which has a temperature dial control, and it comes with a variety of brass tips that I just carve down into whatever size of snake scale that I need. I get more heat out of it, and I can press a lot harder and get the job done a lot faster. I still use the Razertip for the smaller scales on the head and the neck, but then when I get down here I switch to the larger sizes for the versatile. This year I've got some really fun projects in mind to do, so I hope you stay with me, and I'll see you on the next one.